The University of Nebraska Kearney is located in south central Nebraska, Kearney, Nebraska. UNK has been offering online courses for 20 years. Our online program itself is just a few years old. Our graduate programs are accredited through the American Speech Language and Hearing Association, ASHA. We offer 2 programs, one residential and one online. Our residential program is a full-time 5-semester, 2-year program. Our online master's program, it's a part-time program. Typically takes 3 years, 9 semesters. It's intended for individuals who have a bachelor's degree of some sort, but now change their mind and want to be a speech language pathologist. So they've completed leveling coursework requirements and they're entering this online program.
Our online students gain all of their clinical experiences out in practicum placements out in their own communities. So our students complete 4 practicum placements. These are kind of like a mini placement where they're working for just a couple hours a week, and they do that 4 different semesters, and that builds up towards 2 full-time internships where they're there all day, all week doing the job of an SLP. Our students start out their experiences brand new. Their very first semester, they may or may not have done speech therapy before, depending on their work experience. But we're looking for them to gain independence across those experiences. So across the 4 semesters, they develop a foundation of clinical skills with a smaller caseload so that when they go into their internships, they're ready to really take on the full caseload all day. Our students also complete a course in the summer before their practicums where they are again, establishing that foundation of clinical skills that they're ready to go out into community placements. ASHA is our certification entity that monitors how we prepare students. And so one of the requirements for students to complete the program is that they have a certain amount of clinical experiences. That includes earning ASHA clock hours, which is time with patients or students. They also need to demonstrate competencies in a variety of areas. And so this hands-on learning experience in a clinical placement is where they demonstrate that they have those competencies and those skills. When our students are working in their practicum placements out in the community, they're paired with a cooperating SLP at each of those placements, and that person has to meet certain minimum ASHA requirements. They must be a certified speech language pathologist with ASHA. They need at least 9 months of work experience after getting their certification, and they need 2 hours of continuing education in the area of supervision. Fortunately, UNK has free online CEUs that will qualify them for that requirement. So if anybody's interested, but they just need the CEUs, we can provide those to them.
Our cooperating SLPs are so important to our program. They do give up some of their time working with clients, but it's really to benefit our students. And a lot of our students are non-traditional, so they're settled in their communities that they live in now. And so even though they're doing this online program in Nebraska, they're gonna stay where they live right now. And so they're gonna fill that need for SLPs within their communities.